This back pain relief device is disrupting the industry. It was developed by a top chiropractor and uses lumbar traction, a fancy way of saying stretching the back, and in turn, relieves chronic back pain in just 5 minutes a day. Before I discovered this device, I was burning hundreds at the chiropractor and eating painkillers like they were lollies. So, I needed a solution that was cost-effective and easy to fit into my routine. The best thing is the curved design, which decompresses the disc in my back and releases pressure on pinched nerves to eliminate chronic back pain, sciatica, and pinched nerve quickly and from the comfort of home. I just got mine 2 weeks ago, and it has changed my life. My back pain is gone, and I'm enjoying life pain-free.
Another week went by and my back started to really loosen up. And then another few weeks from then and I haven't had any sciatica issues since and no weird shooting pain either. I have had such success with this. If you are anybody who's had any sort of back pain, stiffness, sciatica or nerve pain, please give this a try.